Good morning or good evening. I'd like to give you a breath practice called Sitali Pranayam. So Sitali Pranayam it's a very cooling practice. It can be used if you're overheated or if you're having a fever. This can help. It's good for the digestive system. It's good for overall strength and vitality. And it's also good to help you let go of addictions. If you've got an addiction to tobacco use or any other kind of substance or any kind of addiction, really, when you feel the urge to do that thing, you can do this practice instead, and it will support you in letting go. So Sitali Pranayam, you can do this for 3 minutes at a time, or you can do it 26 breaths in the morning and 26 breaths in the evening, or 3 minutes at any time. So we'll start by tuning in, and then I'll give you instructions for the practice. So we're going to bring the hands together at a prayer position at the heart. Shoulders are back and down. The spine is lengthened. Chin is slightly tucked. Slight pressure between the palms. Gazing up at the third eye, we'll tune in with Ong Namo, Gurudev Namo. I bow to the divine teacher within, the one who knows exactly what I need and has the intelligence to use this practice in service to my well-being and the well-being of all. So inhale and exhale, and inhale to begin. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Om Namo Gurudev Namo. Inhale deeply. Squeeze the mula bandha, rectum, navel, sex organs. Suspend the breath. And exhale. So for Sitali Pranayam, we'll have both hands in Gyan Mudra. I've got the sun rising in front of me. Got the hands in Gyan Mudra. The thumb and index finger are connected, and we'll just rest this on the knees. And the breath is, you're going to roll your tongue, do a little taco shape, and inhale through the mouth. And exhale through the nose. It's long, deep breathing. So at first, you might notice a bitter taste on your tongue, and eventually it will turn into a sweet taste. That's a detoxification process. So here we go. I'm going to set a timer for 3 minutes. Eyes are closed, chin is slightly tucked, gazing at the third eye, and begin. And just going at your own pace. Staying in meditation with the gaze and the awareness at the third eye. And a deep inhale through the nose. And exhale. And just sitting with eyes closed. It's a very calming breath. And just notice what you're experiencing. Any sensations in the body or in the emotional field. You might even notice a different quality in the mental field. Yeah, it's a good one. Now, I always like to tune in and tune out around a practice. You don't have to do that. You can do this breath at any time with or without tuning in. But we will complete today together. So bringing the hands together in a prayer position at your heart, the eyes closed. May the Longtime Sun shine upon you. All love surround you. And the pure light within you guide your way on. We'll finish with 3 Sat Nams. Long Sat, short Nam. Truth is my name. I am truth. And inhale to begin. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam. Sat Nam.